Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to go from this to this. By showing you how to organize your makeup into sections so that you can work on your face section by section. That way you're not confused, you don't lose track of where you are, and you won't forget a step. We're also going to just take this real slow. We're going to work at this and we're just going to take our time and we're going to experiment. We're just going to have fun with the products that we have, and we're going to find out what we can do with them and what we can't do with them. And then we're going to move on to prepping our face. And then we're going to move on to applying the foundation. And then we're going to learn how to conceal our under eye area. We're going to learn how to apply natural brows so it doesn't look painted on. Then we're going to learn how to put on eyeshadow and blend it so you have a natural look that still feels sexy and beautiful. And then we are going to move on to bronzing, contouring, highlighting, and putting that glow in our face and in our cheeks. This is where it all just starts coming together. And then lastly, we're going to put on our lipstick and we are going to be kissable. And then we're going to put everything together. We're going to put on our jewelry, we're going to do our nails, we're going to put on our pretty earrings, and we're going to do our hair. And we're going to look absolutely fabulous when we're done.
Hey self, I've got a great idea. How about we give away a pack of these brushes to one lucky subscriber? That sounds great. How can they win? To enter, they must be a subscriber of the Tristine Fleming YouTube channel. So go ahead and click subscribe now. We also need to give some love back, so please click like on this video. You also need to join the conversation below by commenting. I've already started the conversation for you. And because my birthday is coming up, if I reach 100 subscribers the day before my birthday on May 18th, one of you will be awarded this beautiful brush set for free. And your name will be announced on May 18th live. So you might want to share this video too. That's going to be an amazing birthday. Well, let's get back to the video.
Okay, so I'm back and I am going to get started. I just want to let you know, I did clean my face with my argan oil wipes, which I love. Make sure to watch that video, really, because those wipes are a lifesaver. So make sure to watch that and find out how they've been working for me. I use them every single day and I love them. However, I am noticing some breakouts and I don't know what is causing this. I really don't. It could be that my face is like, what are you doing to me? We're not used to all this makeup and all this stuff on my face, because as I said, I am going to show you a video very soon of how I used to put my makeup on before all of this. So I also put on some moisturizer, and it is a moisturizer that I made myself with essential oils and olive oil body butter. And you can see that my skin is really smooth from that. And if you would like to know what my recipe is for my moisturizer, which is supposed to even my skin tone, reduce blemishes, but I've been using an old night cream, so I think that might be what's happening too from Arbonne. So that could be it too. I mean, it's really old. I really should just throw it away, but it was so expensive. It was $85 for this tiny little thing, and I'm like, I can't throw that away. So I do have a moisturizer that I make myself with essential oils for blemishes, to even out skin tone, and to kind of nourish the skin and highlight and bring out the natural colors, as well as wrinkles, to reduce wrinkles. And I must say, I'm really not gonna lie, I have this thing right here, this wrinkle, and you might be able to see it. Yeah, see that? How it goes in like this. Okay, so I have this wrinkle that's really, really disgusting here, but then I have my worry line right here that I've had forever. And I really would just like to pull it apart, but even though I pull it apart, that line is still gonna be there forever. Nothing I do. And I'm not getting Botox. I don't want a needle in my head. So I've already done all that. And I never ever put my makeup on right after that. I really just kind of let my face absorb everything that I just put on it, to prep it, to get it ready. Plus, if you know what I've told you before, you don't want to put on your makeup when you get out of the shower because you're hot, you're still kind of steaming, your skin is warm, and if you put any foundation on, it's gonna start melting and it's not really gonna stick to your skin. So that was one thing that I learned from a makeup 101. I mean, really everyone in the world should be talking about this. Don't put your makeup on right after you get out of the shower. However, when you get out of the shower, the first thing you do want to do is you do want to put moisturizer on while it's still warm and while it's still moist, so that it can start absorbing into your skin and doing the work that it needs to do. Okay, so that has already been done and I'm ready to start. Okay, so I'm gonna put these off and I can barely see. I have my mirror in front of me, so I'm hoping that you will be able to see this. I'll probably be looking at that and then myself here. Sometimes I'll be looking directly at you. Yes, you. Sometimes I'll be looking directly at me in the camera, which is gonna look a little weird to you. And sometimes I will be leaning in to look at my mirror in front of me, which is a really crappy mirror. So I need to invest in a makeup mirror if I'm really serious about this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to my Let's Begin tray, and I am going to get out my Professional primer because I love this stuff. So this is the first thing we're gonna be using. Today's foundation is going to be Bye Bye Foundation by IT Cosmetics, and this is Fair Light. I thought it was Fair Ivory, but it's Fair Light. So this is the foundation we'll be using. I am going to try my new concealer today, so this could go completely different. I have my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Sweep and Lock. Seriously, everything is a blur to me right now. I am so sorry. I can't see without my glasses. I'm just trying to do it without my glasses, but maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I should put them back on. Okay, so Infallible Pro Sweep and Lock. This is for baking under my eyes. I don't use this for anything else, so this is for baking under my eyes. Then I'm gonna use the Ulta Beauty Finishing Powder. I love this stuff. This is light to medium, and I absolutely adore this product. I love Ulta. Before I got my Bye Bye foundation, I was actually using the Ulta foundation, the Demi Matte foundation, and this is the, I believe this is the same thing. It's light to medium, and I really, really did like this. This was really doing great for my skin, so I really did like this a lot. But I'm loving Bye Bye foundation so much. I just have stopped using this for now. So I'm just gonna keep with the pattern right now just to show you what I'm doing. Now, the other weird thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna get my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna go with this salmon color right here, and I'll show you. So I'm gonna get that ready with the salmon color. However, this is gonna be a totally different video on concealing under the eye and getting rid of those dark patches. So that's not going to be part of this video. That will be my next video. But as I said, I'm getting everything ready. I'm getting everything in front of me that I need to get started. And this is part of my base. This is part of my base. So I might have to do the concealer in here. Okay, so now I'm going to get my brushes out. And I am going to start with this flat brush. Okay, this is going to be the blush that I am going to put on my foundation. So I need this flat brush for sure. Then I'm gonna need this fluffy brush, eyeshadow brush. It is a blending brush. And I'm gonna use that for my concealer and this to blend in my concealer. Now this is kind of a flat eyeshadow brush, but it's kind of hard. It's not fluffy. It's got some sturdiness to the tip of it. This one is much more fluffy and wonderful. And this one is wide and flat. Oh my God. I'm sorry, but these are the best I have really experienced, and I've experienced 3 different brands so far. I want to make sure that I have all of these ready. So we are ready to go. And the only thing I need to get now is my makeup towel. I've been using my toilet paper roll, as you saw in my Mama's Makeup Monday. I am going to start using an old raggedy towel that I can start wiping these off. So I will be right back with my raggedy, clean my brush towel. Okay, I'm back. So I'm gonna use this old towel just to wipe my brushes on so I can clean them off from any residue from makeup before, because I wanna make sure that my brushes are completely clean before I get started. Now some of these, like that one, I pressed down a little bit hard, but this one I'm not gonna press down very hard. I just want to make sure that I'm getting any excess makeup off from the day before. And I'm probably gonna wash these this week. And when I do that, I will show you how to do that as well. So this one is the harder one, and this one just back and forth really. So, you know, you're not ruining the bristles on it. You really don't want to do that. So back and forth, up and down. So that is how we get prepped for the beginning of putting on our blank canvas. Stay tuned for the next video where we put on our blank canvas and we can get this beautiful face going.
I am so grateful that you came to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to continue watching and don't forget to subscribe.